There aren't many sounds more disappointing than this. Yup, that's a dead car battery. According to the experts at Digicall Assist, most car batteries last 3 to 5 years, and they never seem to die at a convenient time. But here's something you need to know. It might be possible to jumpstart your battery. For newer car models, jump-starting the engine with cables connected to a running vehicle can create a voltage surge that may damage expensive onboard computer systems. You're usually better off calling a professional or roadside assistance. But if you do decide to jumpstart your car, you'll need a set of jumper cables, a screwdriver to remove the battery terminal covers, and another car with the same battery voltage as yours. Alright, let's go through how to jumpstart your car. Step 1, park the two cars nose to nose. Switch off the good car and pop up both bonnets. Find the batteries and check for the plus and minus symbols. Now carefully, so clamps don't touch, attach the red clip to your car's positive terminal, then the other red to the good battery's positive. Next, connect one black clip to the negative terminal on the good battery and the last black clip to the bare metal on your car away from the battery. Start the good car and let it idle for a few minutes. When I say let it idle, that just means leave the car running but don't touch the accelerator. The engine sits at its lowest speed, kind of like breathing quietly while it's still on. Then try starting your car. If your car doesn't start first go, let the other car idle for 10 to 15 minutes, then try again. Once your car's running, leave it on while you disconnect the cables in reverse order. So, black from bare metal first, then red from your positive terminal. Make sure the clamps never touch. If it still won't start, your battery might need replacing. Remember, if you're not confident doing this, call a professional or roadside assistance. It's better to be safe than sorry. If you have a comprehensive policy with Youi, roadside assistance comes as standard. For more everyday explainers like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.